A biker rides through doubts because hesitation fades the moment the wheels start turning. The road demands commitment, and in that commitment, confidence is built mile by mile. Every challenge teaches resilience, balance, and trust in yourself and the machine beneath you. Riding turns uncertainty into focus and fear into forward motion. Brotherhood grows naturally through shared effort and shared silence. In Cambodia, the ride feels raw and honest, where dust, heat, and open roads push you past doubt and into clarity. We ride to prove to ourselves that doubt is temporary, but growth lasts. For Plan Cambodia Motorcycle Tours 2026.